Well, it's not a bad day to come out with the dogs for a walk today. It's fairly mild, about 10 degrees, a bit cloudy as you can see. There's a slight wind, but it's coming more from the southwest, I think, than from the northeast, which is when it will be really cold here. Frank and Poppy enjoyed it. We've come all the way to the end of Felixstowe Prom. We're about, I suppose, about a mile and a half, nearly 2 miles from home at the moment. So this is the end of our walk at the moment, so we've got about a walk for about another 2 miles back. So here they are. Few too many people about at the moment. It's January the 29th, so we're still in complete lockdown. There shouldn't be this many people out, but unfortunately people come from other parts of Suffolk and probably further afield to come for walks here, though I have heard that the police are stopping people and threatening them with spot fines if they don't pack up and go home again. Anyway, so we'll carry on with this walk. Anybody outside the UK, just go back over to here again. In the distance there's Felixstowe docks over there. There's only a few of the cranes there, the rest are further around the corner into the River Orwell. But you can see the rest of Felixstowe is just a nice, pleasant seaside town with a lovely sweep of beach. We've now come down to the Spa Gardens where it's much quieter. There's a few people here, but generally it's much less crowded than on the prom. We'll just stop here for a little bit, enjoy the sun, and then we must carry on home. We've now come back down to the central part of Felixstowe promenade, the pier and the leisure centre. And this is a point where we're going to cut back home along this road, past all the food shops, which are all sadly closed up. And we'll start to head for home now. So that's the end of our little walk today along Felixstowe Prom. We've been out for probably 3/4 of an hour, and we'll probably be another half hour to get home. Anyway, I think these two will be quite happy with their walk today. Well, at least they're sitting down anyway. Frank, are you tired? How about you, Poppy? You had enough of a walk today?